Shi benta ban rakhi ya kasni bakari India kayo ya kariti sencha na ka Republic di ka Raj Bhavan Shillong ringkat ke jingat relang bat ka the Shillong Agri Horticulture Society ringkat ka Directorate Horticulture jong ka Sarkar Jilla ha kasni satjan jong ka tayo kata ka arpusan tarik kala lingkot arja arpusan kala penlong ya ka flower show ha ka bala khot ngobha ka society lani riu shimet ki barap Syntiew hapo ka Jilla bat kiwi ki kinhon ba iet ban pin itanat ya kamarya haba ai jingkran u governor secretary Raj Bhavan u Dr. BDR Tiwari ulo ong ke jingpenlong ya ke program flower show kalong ban rakhi ka republic di kabakit jingmut na ka benta ki pajba ke jela nakalyang u president jongka de Shillong Agri Horticulture Society ulo ong ba ke jingpenlong ya kani ka program ban pin I ya kala jong ke jela ha ka bayade bat ka rep Syntiew bat ru banang kentiu shushu ya ka rep Syntiew hapo ke jela ya kani ka program la ple perda de ulat ke jela ushri CH Vijay Shankar kabla penlong haplau jong ka Raj Bhavan Shillong
I want to spread the, to.
Otherwise, it remains with you only,
Yeah,
madam.
this one.
It should not
I
remain like
was
that.
telling everyone, I even went to agriculture department also, horticulture. I said I didn't want them to stay with
No,
me.
we invite you. We will take care of such things.
And this is Safrela. This is just imitating. Actually, I thought of making it India Gate.
Oh,
I would put a small flag here.
the dream. Dream of this lady. Wonderful.
But then after I remembered that the India Gate is a brick with bricks, so this is cemented. So somehow my plan got tangled there. So I just remained.
He told the madam, the lady behind this bonsai garden, if at all you wish to publish it, if at all you wish to put it in black and white, if at all you develop in largest scale, whatever idea that is there in your mind, you bring it out notice. We are with you. We will support you. In the interest of the society, in the interest of the society, ultimately some good name is going to come, not only to that lady, not only to the department, that good name comes to the entire state of Meghalaya. Entire state of Meghalaya. In that way, not only this bonsai garden, rest of the others, we have seen some of the dedicated, wonderful personalities behind this flower show. Their contribution we are able to see here. Their effort, it is not 1 or 2 years or 10 years. This effort, decades together, effort is there. Not less than 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Their dedication, their contribution is there in that field.